Hey, how's it guys? In this video, we'll learn how to create a bash executable file to run a Python script. So every morning, I have a routine that I will manually open my bash terminal, activate a Python virtual environment, and run a Python script to download my YouTube channel's analytics to an Excel file. Now, instead of going through the hassle typing everything, I can simply create a bash executable file to automate the entire process. In fact, once I created the executable file, I can even use Task Scheduler to let it run on its own. And since I'm on Windows PC, I'll be using Git Bash, which is a bash emulator. And you can download the command line tool from this website, gitforwindows.org, which I'll link the link in the description below. And to create a bash script, so first I want to open a text editor. And you can use any notepad you want. So I'm going to use just a regular notepad. Now here I'm going to launch my bash terminal. And because I want to show you everything in steps. Right, so inside my my project folder, I have this app.py file. And here's what the script looks like. So basically I create a data object, then load the data object with pandas data frame, then I export the data as a CSV file. Now if I try to run the Python script, and because from my Python core environment, pandas library is not installed, so I need to activate my Python virtual environment and be able to run the Python script successfully. And to do that using bash, basically I need to activate the environment first, then I can run the app.py file. And the Python script is going to create this CSV file. Now to automate these two steps into a single executable file, alright, so first I'm going to copy this statement right here. And I'll copy paste to my notepad. And the second step is going to run the Python file. So here I'm going to type py.app.py. And if I'm on a Linux system, then we need to type this statement on the top. Now save the file. Alright, so here I need to save this file to my project folder. You want to make sure that you save the file as a shell extension. So here I want to save the file as my app. And for the file extension, we need to make sure that we save the file as .sh and save the file. And I can close the notepad. Right, so by default, the bash script that I just created is not executable yet. To make the file executable, on your terminal, you want to type the command chmod, stands for change mode. Then want to insert the argument +x, stands for make it executable, followed by the bash file name. And it's going to be myapp.sh and enter. Now going forward, if you want to run your Python script, so I'm going to delete this CSV file. And I can simply double click on myapp.sh file. And the bash script is going to activate my virtual environment and run the Python script and export the CSV file. So this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this video. And hopefully you guys found this tip useful. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a like and click on the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.